Drama
You clench your
time.
fist, she gives you a hug. Tell you she loves you, but you've been drinking too much. But you don't quit, instead you'd rather fuss and take it to the point to where she can't get up. And it makes you feel sick, it breaks your heart. She never meant for it to go this far. But you gotta get who has to live with the scars and can only see you whenever this bars. I need a medic, yeah. I need a medic. Give me a medic, yeah. Call me a medic.
She said I ain't seen him laugh in a long time. Seems like abandoned him to the wrong side. Remember the night they split and we all cried. I think for certain a large part of my heart died. They brought me up thinking life was rainbows and sunshine. Grew up to find that time proves that they all died. For so long, convinced ourselves we were all fine. But the night he came back at 3 a.m. again was the last time. Alcohol consuming his breath. Mom said, don't you think you're taking a step in this house? Told you last time, one more time and you're out. So what now? It's our family worth less to you than a night blacking out. Slammed the door and then she dropped to the floor.